Chloe sent in a wonderful science experiment. How do clouds make rain? You will need a clear cup, water, shaving cream, and food coloring. First, put the water in the cup. The water represents air. Second, put a shaving cream cloud on top. The cloud is water droplets. Third, put blue food coloring on the cloud. This shows when the water gets heavier. Fourth, wait to see what happens when the water gets heavy on the cloud. Chloe will demonstrate for us. What do you think happens? Do you think the water will turn blue? Do you think the shaving cream will sink to the bottom? The conclusion is that the food coloring, which represented water, went through the cloud to make rain. Great job, Chloe.